Hey, welcome to the session Geometry Generation. Here you will learn how to generate geometries like curves, surfaces and solids. You will use a curve to create a boundary surface and extrude this to create a solid beam body. This is a workflow that is very frequently used to generate solid bodies. For this lesson, we are using the rectangular curve. This is our rectangular curve. It's centered on the origin and on the YZ plane. And now we want to create a solid geometry from this rectangular curve. The first step is to create a surface body using the boundary surface component. Here it's already suggested to us. And as you can see, we generated a surface body. Now we will extrude this surface using a direction. So here I already provided a number, which is the length for the extrusion. And we would like to extrude it in x direction. So we need the unit x vector. If you just type in an x, you will get it. And now you can plug it into the direction input. And as you can see, here we have our solid geometry extruded. We'll just plug this into the output. All right. Now we can go back to the start and change things up a little. So here I prepared some other curves. I will just quickly blend all these different things out so we can see the curves. Okay, so we have a circle, a polygon, and an ellipse prepared. And now we can just plug these curves in to our boundary surface component, and then our DNA will recalculate and create a solid body based on these curves. So here it's a circle for the polygon and for the ellipse. All right, let's blend out this rectangle. Then you can also change up the extrusion length. So this looks a bit out of proportion. You can decrease the extrusion length. So this looks nicer, I guess. Or you can go very much over the top in that direction. All right, let's switch back to the rectangle to check out the extrude surface body component. So I prepared a start body and an end body, which you can see here. Just some random surface bodies, and we can use them and plug them into the start body and end body component. And as you can see, the extrusion length is now defined by these two bodies. If you blend them out, you can see that our geometry is cut by our start and end body. Okay. Something else that you can do is to plug in a Boolean value to the symmetry input. The default value is false. If you use a Boolean toggle, put it on, you can make sure that the extrusion is symmetric. In this session, you learned about a workflow that is frequently used to create solid bodies and are now able to apply it in your own projects.